I'm so proud of you. I know how much you've sacrificed and worked just to get where you are. And salamat. And thank you kasi nagagawa mo na yung greatest dreams mo bukod sa performing. Broadcaster ka na ngayon and nagagawa mo.
Ako, ano sabihin ko? Thank you. Kasi sobrang strong mo. And, just be yourself. And, mahal kita. Future self, Bini Maloy. I hope sana, parang hindi pa rin mawala yung love mo sa music, sa arts, and yung heart mo to